This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by Amber Stewart. This exquisite estate in Texarkana, Arkansas is situated on 7 acres and has everything you could possibly need for entertaining. The 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, along with the home's open floor plan, offer so much space to suit your needs. The kitchen features beautiful granite countertops, a large island and a butler's pantry. Off the living room, the sunroom offers gorgeous views of the pond. If you prefer to be outdoors, you can take advantage of the view from the oversized patio. In addition to the amazing master suite, there is mini master suite to accommodate long-term visitors. The office has a Murphy bed for additional guests. Inside the 30 by 50 barn, you find tons of floor space upstairs for storage or hanging out with friends and locked storage for all your tools and equipment. There is so much more this beautiful home has to offer. Call today to schedule a private tour. For more information.